Welcome back. Remember I told you before that an HTML document can only be accessed with your browser, and it's a document like your Microsoft Word document, and thus it contains a body of text. But for you to put in your body of text, you have to operate with some tags. And the very first thing you need to know in an HTML document is that it consists of a doc type declaration. This is what tells the browser to open this file as an HTML document. Immediately after that, you have your HTML tag. This is like a container that contains everything that your HTML document would contain. So remember, opening HTML tag and closing HTML tag is going to give you an element, and inside of this HTML elements, you have the head tag and the body tag. Inside of the head tag, you have what we call the title tag and the meta tags. So we shouldn't talk too much. I mean, we should get down to it, right? So let's do this. Open your notepad with me. When you want to create a simple HTML document, the very first thing you need to do is to declare your document type. And we do that by using the doc type declaration, HTML. This tells your browser that this is an HTML document and please treat it as such. After that, you start with your HTML tag, the opening HTML tag, then you have your closing HTML tag. Every of your content will go inside here, so just watch as I do it and please type along with me. Inside of the HTML tag, you have first your head tag, opening head tag and closing head tag. And inside of the HTML document, you also have what we call the body tag, opening body tag and closing body tag. The body tag is what will contain everything that will be displayed on your web browser. We will get down to it shortly, but don't overthink it. So as you can see, inside of your HTML, you have your head tag, opening and closing head tag, and opening and closing body tag. Now remember from the slide I told you, inside of the head tag, you also have what? Yeah, that's right, the title tag. Opening title tag and closing title tag. Don't worry, you will see what happens when we open this page on the browser, but for now just follow along. Let's call this my first HTML web page. Also, I told you we have other things like the meta tags. So a simple meta tag would be something like meta tags don't have closing tags, by the way. So I will leave it as this because I want to describe something to you later, or let me just take it out. So this is a simple HTML tag. Don't worry, in the next video I'm going to put the meta tags, but I just want you to get the skeleton idea of what an HTML document looks like, and this is it. So you have your doc tag declaration, you have your HTML tags, which becomes an element because it's containing content, and inside of the content you have the head tags and the body tag, and inside of the body tag you have the title, and inside of the head tag you have the title, and inside of the body tag we'll have some content shortly. So this is the skeleton or the framework of a simple HTML document. In the next video I'm going to put you through on something you need to understand before we go into using our HTML tags proper, and that is the difference between an HTML tag, an element, and an attribute. That is why we'll be doing the meta tags in the next video. I see you there. Thank you.